Hi, my name is Kaarle Wirta and I work for Business Tampere. I'm a business advisor and project manager in an EU project. We provide plenty of services for companies in Tampere region as we are part of the city's economic and development agency. We provide services for export industries, so supporting companies on their path to export to international markets, but as well locally support with, for example, growth funding, with the matchmaking between different companies and organizations, with test and pilot cases locally here in Tampere, but also abroad. And then we are working with foreign direct investment, which basically means trying to find and support companies settling in Tampere. I would say the potential for internationalization and especially how the companies would do in an international environment. We all know that the Finnish market is quite small, hence why we look forward for startups that are looking for international level from day one, basically. What type of teams they consist of, and what type of technology and challenges they're providing a solution for with the technology. So that's one of the key factors. And I'm especially focusing on AI related technical solutions and looking at the maturity level of the AI usage in the companies. As there are so many different ways of describing and understanding AI at the moment, so we are really living in interesting times from the perspective. Maybe I look for the future, like how do actually the AI applications get more customized in different organizations? How do potential customers actually start to use the solutions that the companies are providing? It's a big question. It's an open question. AI is one of the buzzwords at the moment, but probably I would say that the most important thing is still the people in the companies. What and how they are applying AI. Are they actually using it as a technology, or is it more also as a tool for them? So that's one of the key things. The section for Film Tampere in Business Tampere, we are an organization of roughly between 40 and 50 people, and we have different clusters where sort of the creative industries is one cluster. So yes, the people, for example, the working in the creative industry cluster, they work, of course, a lot in that sector of things. But we also, in the data economy and AI, we look for ways to partner up and collaborate and support and creative industry, AV growth type of startups and companies through or leveraging AI solutions. And that's kind of like one way of how we collaborate and help and support the creative industries side of things in our organization. The city and the different municipalities around Tampere as our main owner, but of course university as well, one of the main partner. And then of course several companies we have in Tampere AI ecosystem. We have roughly 130 organizations as partners, so there's plenty of choose from smaller scale startups to all the way to large corporates and university research. So there's plenty of them. Probably, I think the most important thing that what makes our work important and valuable is that we can support companies in Tampere to grow. Of course, we wish that they grow that much that they can hire new staff. That would be great for the economy in the whole region of Tampere. But of course, that they provide new technical solutions that actually make an impact and change the world. And then, of course, that we see growth in terms of numbers as well, in terms of investments in Tampere region. So those are a few of the things that I come up top of my head.